What's up, pranksters? Welcome back. And yes, I'm wearing black gloves because I just finished shooting a video for Sinnex TV. So I hope that after you're done watching this video, you go check it out. Link is in the description. I have an awesome contest going on. It's a mask design contest. So if you guys want a chance to win an awesome prize, then check out that video and hopefully you guys enter my contest. It's on Instagram, so also follow me on there. Real_Nextraker. But in this video, I'm gonna show you a compilation of classic Nextraker pranks. These are very mean and you guys can pull them off at home on friends and family or anybody that you just don't like. So let's get started. First, make sure you guys are subscribed to this channel with the bell notifications turned on. That way you guys don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Also, give this video a big thumbs up. And you guys know I'm wanting 1,000 likes on this video. So please hit that thumbs up button now. Let's get started. Check it out. Alright pranksters, well let's begin setting up these booby traps. What I have here is a balloon inside a bowl. Well, our first booby trap, we're gonna have the balloon underneath the bowl like this. So that when somebody lifts up this bowl, the balloon inside will pop. Now the way we do that is the following. For that we're gonna need some double-sided foam squares like these. We're gonna need about 4 of these, and then we're gonna stack them up on top of each other. And then we're gonna take a needle and pierce through our stack of double-sided foam squares like this, all the way through. Be careful though, because you might poke yourself. Perfect. Now make sure it comes out all the way through, because this you're gonna stick inside the bowl. So we're just gonna stick it on like this. And then I've actually made a few more, which I'm gonna put around the inside of this bowl. As you guys can see, I have 1, 2, 3, and then a 4th one. Just like this. So no matter how your victim picks it up, they will pop the balloon. So the balloon will be centered right here underneath the bowl. So carefully, we're gonna do that. So we're barely gonna place the bowl over the balloon like this. So now when your victim picks up this balloon, they'll either pull it towards them or lift it up. But the slightest touch between the needle and the balloon will cause that balloon to pop. So let's see what's gonna happen. Oh, look at this mess. Good thing it's close to the sink. It's not that bad, huh? Oh, you guys can see my eyes. Huh. For this next prank, we're gonna booby trap this roll of toilet paper, and for that we're gonna need a balloon. Now this is a really small balloon that I filled up with water, and of course I put some Kool-Aid inside. Well, we're gonna stuff this little balloon inside this roll of toilet paper, and it'll be quite snug, but we can get it in there with no problem at all. So just push it down like this, all the way to the middle area, right to the center, as you guys can see. That is perfect. Next up, we're gonna take the roller. This is the roller. You usually put this through the toilet paper so it holds it. Well, we're gonna mess with it so when your victim pushes it through, it's gonna pop the balloon. So what I have here is a safety pin, and we're gonna modify it by cutting the top, which is the clip part, off. So I'm gonna take some pliers and just cut it. Just like that. And now we're left with this piece, which we're gonna push inside. As you guys can see, there's a hole in there. You guys can actually see the inside. There's a spring. Well, we're gonna put it through there, but not all the way, just enough so it sticks out just a little, like this. And that is what's gonna pop the balloon. So here's the setup, guys. I'm in the bathroom right now, and I'm gonna leave the toilet paper, the booby trap toilet paper, on top of the toilet. And then I'm gonna put the roller inside like this, just barely inside. And basically, there is where your victim is gonna wanna put the roller with the toilet paper. So when they do try to do that, this is what's gonna happen. So basically they'll push it further in and it's gonna pop the balloon. Just like that. See? Now the toilet paper is red. It's got that Kool-Aid on it. This is definitely not a prank that you want to fall for, especially if you really want to use the bathroom and this is the only toilet paper available. What I have here is a garbage container. Yep, there's a lot of trash in there, guys. Well, for this prank, you're gonna need one of these because you usually find these at the kitchen. So this one has a lid that pops open. Well, we're gonna remove that lid like this and expose the trash. Now, we're gonna place some plastic wrap over the trash, pretty much covering the whole thing. So here's the plastic wrap and I'm gonna place it over the garbage like this. And of course, I'm gonna stretch it out and keep it in place with some clear tape. So it will be super see-through and no one will be able to tell that there's plastic wrap over the trash. Okay, so I just finished taping down the plastic wrap over the trash container. Next, I'm gonna put the lid back on like this. And see, this is what it looks like when it's opened. You guys can't really tell if there's plastic wrap on top of it, right? Unless the light is really bright and shining on top of it. But from this angle, you guys can't tell that there's plastic wrap on top. Okay, so the prank here is, guys, you're gonna give your brother or sister a cup of rice. Now, when rice falls on the floor, it goes everywhere. So nobody wants to spill rice, right? So you're gonna go tell your brother or sister to go dump out this cup of rice because mom says it's not good anymore. But tell them, make sure nothing falls on the floor. So they can't really tell if there's plastic wrap on here. So when they try to dump it out, this is what's gonna happen. See, it went all over the place. It makes a really big mess because the rice actually bounces off the plastic wrap. See? It's just extra mess that they gotta clean up. Let's see what would happen with water. You guys probably can't tell, but it is squirting a few drops on me, on my leg right now. See? On to prank number 4, and for this you're gonna need a large party balloon about this size. It's usually a big one, and then some party snaps, or if you want to call them poppets, because it says on there, call them poppets. I call them party snaps because that's how I grew up calling them. So here they are. What we're gonna do is fill up the balloon with these. Now it varies depending on how much you want to add in there. So I'm gonna add pretty much the whole bag inside the balloon. So let's get started by doing that. So one by one, you're gonna stick the party snaps in there and then make sure they go all the way down, all the way to the very bottom, and then keep doing that until you filled up the balloon. Now obviously you're not gonna fill the whole balloon till the point that it expands. No, we're gonna use air for that. So once you feel like you've put enough party snaps in there, that's when we're gonna fill up the balloon with air. So just pretty much keep adding party snaps inside. So it's got a significant amount of party snaps in there already, as you guys can see. A little pouch of party snaps. So that's enough. So now we're just gonna fill it up with air. So you can do that with your mouth, of course. Oh, one already popped in there. So there you go, there's the party snaps inside the balloon. And so all you gotta do is tie the balloon. All right, pranksters, what I have here is a strip of tape. Now I'm gonna place this strip on top of the balloon, right on the tail. And then we're gonna stick this piece of tape behind any door like this one. So this one will be just right. Now we gotta figure out when the door is open, where the balloon is headed. Obviously it's gotta be headed towards the door, it's gotta. So if it doesn't have a wall behind the door, then this prank won't work. Well, in this case, it has another door. So as you can see, there's one door, then there's another one right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick a push pin on this door so that it meets the balloon when the door is opened. Okay, so the prank is set. I've placed a push pin on this wall, which is the door. And then of course the balloon is right there. So the door is gonna open, the balloon is gonna meet the push pin, and we all know that the balloon is never gonna win. Not only is the balloon gonna pop, because these balloons make a really loud popping sound, but also the party snaps are gonna fly all over the place. Well, they're gonna end up on the floor. So it gives it extra noise and it'll startle, it'll scare your victim. So let's see what's gonna happen when your victim opens that door. So I'm gonna turn the knob and pretend like I'm opening the door. Oh, that's loud. Oh, pranksters, I'm wearing my mask right now. Yes. Oh, and it was still really loud. Oh, but yeah, it sounds like somebody got shot a few times. And yeah, it's really loud. Like I said, it's gonna startle, scare the hell out of your victims. So go ahead, try it out. They all make messes. Well, this one makes a mess too, but you can easily scoop it up with a broom and dustpan. But yeah, it's not that messy and it's very effective. So let me know if you guys try it out. Let me know what happens. So for our last prank, we're gonna be needing some of these balloons right here. People use these to make balloon animals, as you guys can see right there. So we'll be using these to booby trap a door. Now this one has air. You guys can also use water. So I'm gonna be showing you guys both examples. So what we're gonna do with this balloon is we're gonna sandwich it in between the door and the trim, right on the hinge right here. And I'm gonna use the tail to actually tie it on there. And there it is, pranksters. It's kind of snug in there. So let's say somebody on the other room wants to come out or wants to shut this door. When they do shut this door, this is what's gonna happen. Oh, that is loud. So yeah, they're gonna freak out when they shut this door because they will not expect a balloon to be there, and it makes that really loud sound. Now let's do the demo with a water balloon. But yeah guys, those are the effects of a water balloon. See, those pranks are not hard to pull off. All you need is household items and to be creative, and definitely have a target such as a victim who you want to prank. So if you pull them off, as always, prank at your own risk. And again guys, I want to remind you that I have a mask design contest on Sinnex TV. So check it out, link is below. If you guys want to enter and design me a new mask, please check out that video for more information. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I'll see you pranksters in my next video.